Hey everyone. Um, so I wanted to do a before and after of my craft room, and I thought I'd show you my cute kitty before I get started. So I'm sure all of you are probably in the same boat that I am. And well, maybe not all of you, because I know some of you are neat crafters. I myself am not a neat crafter, and after 2 months of pretty much working nonstop at the mall, I kind of have neglected my craft room. So, besides the cute kitty in front of you, my craft room is a big giant mess. So, I'm just gonna do a little quick kind of panoramic, whatever you want to call it. Hold on, let me turn my light on. Okay. So, yeah. So, guys, this is pretty sad. Like, I've got this shelf looks like a mess. That is a mess. I mean, the drawers are fine, but the top of it is a mess. This is kind of like my office and my craft room. Like, I have my planner set station and, you know, just it's a mess. So, I'm trying not to get you guys dizzy, but I have piles everywhere. This shelf, I mean, there's stuff down here, like my cats knock over. So I've got a huge pile here. It's a task, guys. I'm a little embarrassed doing this because it's so bad, but yeah. So anyway, this is my craft room before. It's a mess. So, and again, back to the cute kitty. Oh, that's my Binks. So, alright guys, I will be back after I've done some major work. Hey guys, it's Kristen. I am back. It's a few days later actually since I filmed my before and after, and I wanted to show you the after. And we also have Sophie. 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 We have Sophie, who is the cat in the chair today. So I just want to do a quick little same like I did before. I do still kind of have a mess on my desk. That's like a bunch of scraps of stuff. I put my new calendar down. I did do some reorganizing up here. Yes, it's still kind of cluttered, but you know, it's definitely an improvement from the other day. This shelf behind me, I definitely reorganized. I still have this blue tote here in front of you is full of ribbon, and I had this idea. Actually, my husband and I kind of had this shared idea to use like a dowel rod to put my ribbons on, and this way I can see what I have and use what I have. So, oh, sorry guys, I can only hold so much. So that clear bin is my woodblock stamps. I moved down here all of my printer paper, which is in that clear bin. And basically just kind of moved stuff around, shifted some stuff. Down here is still fairly a mess. These boxes over here have stuff that needs to be gone through. Uh, you know, listen, we're all crafters, so we all have things that still need working on, but this is much better than it was. I do want to also show you, I straightened that up a little bit, and I also have moved like bills in my planner. My planner station is over there. The little bin has all of my stickers from my planner. And then this shelf here, I'm sorry about the cat stuff, but you know, I have cats and this is where their stuff is. So, But this shelf here is really like, in here is paint supplies like brushes and my art books. I've got some extra art books and stuff here. I did get this spindle that is a paint holder, and so that is where this is going to go. Right now my Sizzix is here, and that's only because I couldn't find another place for it. It's not its permanent home. I just have to figure out where else I'm putting it. So anyway, yeah, it's not the best, but you know what? It's mine. Oh, I just want to show you, those are my books that are up there. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. It's not finished, but it's a work in progress, and it's much better than it was. So one more little panoramic view. All right, hope you enjoyed. Talk to you guys soon. Again with the Kitty Fest, who's gonna have to vacate because I'm getting ready to do some crafting. Sophie. Sophie. There she is. Okay, bye guys.